Happy New Year, friends! Welcome back to the Dee and Tim channel. Now, I know you may be wondering, where the heck is Tim? Well, he's great. He's been doing very well. Just got through an awesome series with Adobe that you should check out. And we're going to be bringing you a lot of new content throughout this year on both this shared channel as well as our individual channels, which you can see in the link below. And we brought in the new year together. We danced all night. We celebrated a lot of great things that happened this past year, but also we celebrated a lot of things that we're anticipating in this new year. And we definitely want you to be on this journey with us. So make sure you, of course, subscribe, like this channel so that you can stay updated as the adventures unfold. But I wanted to take a few seconds just to talk a little bit about some of our 2018 resolutions or intentions for ourselves as designers, or I'm going to speak for myself as a designer, and Tim. We're gonna make sure Tim makes a video where he talks about his 2018 resolutions too, but also some ambitions and goals and visions for this channel. So first things first, New Year's resolution. You can check out 2 of my New Year's resolutions through How Magazine. My great friend Matthew Manos of Very Nice Design compiled a list of 12 design leaders as we express our resolutions and goals and visions for the year 2018. You can read that article or that listicle in the description below. But in addition to what I shared with him and How Magazine, one big ambition that I have for the new year is to really share more of my process as a creator. Not necessarily as a designer, because I also have an artistic practice and I have a writing practice or like a reflection practice with the Sticky Notes and Self project. And I want to show more of the process of what goes into a lot of the things that I'll be creating and have been creating. So that's one big ambition, and I hope to use YouTube in order to do that and to share a lot of that insight. In addition, a big goal for me also is to go on more adventures this year, and so I'll be collaborating, of course, across the United States, but also across the globe. I have a project that is burgeoning, that's going to be based in Cape Town, and so I definitely want to share more of those adventures as a designer on this channel, but also as I meet and work with other creators and other architects and other UX designers, other just people who are creative and making an impact in the world. I want to make sure that I bring them on this channel as well and share a little bit of their passions, their voices, their creations, their spaces. One thing that Tim and I talked about a lot was having conversations, like sit down chat, talk show style conversations with some of the designers that we know and love, and throughout the year we'll both have our own little individual series on things. So yeah, go ahead, like it, stay tuned, share if you have a channel too, and share it in the comments below so that we can follow you back. Alright, have a good year.